guys, so I'm coming back really quickly to let you know that SmileBright and I will be doing a $200 MAC giveaway, and that MAC giveaway will be given to our new customers, meaning when you purchase a SmileBright kit from this day onward until the let's do it for the 15th. From now until February 15th, that's the day after Valentine's Day, you are eligible to win this $200 MAC gift card. Now, we've had giveaways in the past where we've given to our customers who already have kits, and we've given to customers who purchase. So this is specifically for the new customers. So if you have not yet purchased a SmileBright at home teeth whitening kit, the how to purchase will be in the description bar below, because a lot of people, they find it difficult. They don't know where to put the code. So I'll leave instructions on where to go, where to put the code, and of course the code they use is my code SMILE61. So when you purchase from this day, I don't know what this day is, I don't know when I'll be uploading this video, but when you purchase on this day, then until the 15th, so it ends on the 15th, it ends on the 14th, and we choose the winner the 15th. Yeah, let's do that. So we're going to end it on Valentine's Day, and then after when it's end, we'll announce the winner the following day. And yeah, so it's going to be random. I'm sorry, it's going to be random. I don't know if you want to purchase more than one kit or using the code. I mean, you know, that's completely up to you. The kit itself is for $99, but when you use my code SMILE61, you get it for $25. Now, I've said this before, whenever you're going to use the kit, do not brush your teeth, because your gums are extremely sensitive, and when you brush your teeth and then do the treatment, it's going to feel like bees are stinging you on your gums. I'm just being truthful, boo. Okay, so yeah, so what I do, I brush my teeth the night before. Me no yam nothing. Brush my teeth the night before, then the following morning I rinse my mouth out, then I do my SmileBright system, right? So again, the at-home SmileBright teeth whitening system is $99, but with my code SMILE61, you get it for $25, and this is guaranteed to have your teeth whiter in an hour. Nah, yo, nah joke, nah the note, but I say lie, I no lie, I the truth my talk, and the talk me a truth. I'll leave my fingernail a pop off. God of grace. I'll leave the two videos that I did in the description bar below, so you'll see where I went from an 11 to a 4, and I don't do my SmileBright system every single day, y'all. So it's a really good system. I stand by the system, as well as I stand by the company itself. So again, I want to thank I want to thank SmileBright for doing this giveaway with me. You basically, all you have to do is purchase using the code, and you're entered to win the $200 MAC giveaway. There'll be only one winner. Winner will be chosen on the 15th of February. The contest / giveaway will end on the 14th of February. So if you're going to enter, good luck. Bye guys.